Google quietly dropped an insane feature called Google Gems that lets you create your own custom AI for your particular needs. Best part is it's totally free and you can share them with literally anyone. I'm talking about specialized AI that knows exactly what you want them to know. And by the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can share them with anyone. Just stick with me. Let me show you with an example. Let's suppose we are a company selling rockets and we will create customer support AI with Google Gems. And that AI will be answering all the questions of our clients. Alright, so we're in Google Gemini now. We'll just create a new gem. Let's call it Rocket Co Customer Support Agent. Let's just put something in the description because it doesn't actually matter. Now Google's documentation actually tells us there's a framework for instruction that makes Gems work way better. 4 simple parts: persona, task, context, and format. Okay, so I have prepared this instruction. I have written like basic things like you are a friendly customer support agent and blah blah blah. But in the context point, I have mentioned that I'm going to provide you with a PDF with all the company's info like written policy, terms and conditions, shipping details, and all the data. To be honest, I have generated this PDF from ChatGPT. I'll just attach the PDF and we are done. Okay, now this Gems is not going to hallucinate anymore because it's just pulling data straight from your real documentation. Interesting, right? Now, the most people will just stop here. But here's the part that actually makes Gems useful. Just watch this. You see this 3 button, click on this and click on share. And now you can share it with anyone that you want. You can share it with your employees within the company for clarifying their doubts. You can even share it with your customers and they don't have to read all those boring documents. Okay, let me ask it something complex that is not directly answered in the PDF that I had provided. And it nails it. Because it's not just copy pasting your data, it's understanding it and trying to provide a solution to your customers. Just like we wanted it to be. Think about this, a custom AI that has all your company's knowledge base and your team can access it instantly. A custom AI for your clients that have all the knowledges about your services and all shareable, all free, sitting under your Google account. So yeah, Google Gems are stupidly underrated. Drop a comment down and tell me how you guys are looking forward to use Google Gems. And if you want more tech videos like this, you guys know what to do. I'll see you in the next one.